Harnessing the power of the collective conscious mind. In the depths of human interaction, a concept emerges, the collective conscious mind. It influences our thoughts, actions, and societal norms. Imagine a fabric, interwoven with every thought ever thought by humanity. This is the essence of our collective consciousness. It serves as a reservoir of human experience and knowledge, transcending individual understanding. Here, our shared beliefs and values converge. Through this collective mind, we inherit the wisdom of ages, tapping into insights and inspirations beyond our singular experiences. Yet, it also poses a challenge, shaping our perceptions and potentially limiting our individuality. The balance between the collective and individual mind is delicate. In navigating this balance, we unlock the potential for groundbreaking innovations and societal progress, fueled by shared wisdom and unique perspectives. Understanding and harnessing the power of the collective conscious mind opens pathways to a future of enriched collective and individual growth.